Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to update your lifestyle in Facebook dating. Maybe you want to update your lifestyle in Facebook dating so that the person you'll match are also interested and know about your lifestyle. So today, I am going to show you on how you can update your lifestyle on your Facebook dating profile. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in with your Facebook account. And then in here, you'll be directed into your Facebook homepage. From here, select this heart button icon for you to continue to the Facebook dating. And then in here, you will see your like you, friendship, matches, and then the profile. Tap on this profile. And then in here, scroll down and you will see in here your lifestyle. In here, you can update your lifestyle in here, such as if you have kids or if you're smoking or if you are drinking. For example, you want to update your lifestyle about smoking and drinking, simply tap on this drop down button and you can choose never, occasionally, often, or prefer not to say. Tap on the save button to continue and then again tap on this drop down button and then tap on the save button. And as you can see, your lifestyle is now updated. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can update your lifestyle on Facebook dating profile, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can update your lifestyle on Facebook dating profile, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.